welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here for another video. Today I'm here to do Life of a Squishy Scammer. And I know I do a lot of these, but I haven't done one in a while. So I'm gonna do one now because I do them a lot. So I kind of I haven't done a Life of a Squishy Scammer in so long. And I know I have a lot of them, but I just like doing them, and I haven't done one in a while. So let's get started. And if you're wondering why I'm so dressed up, I actually mentioned that in my very last video, which was in the same spot, and I was wearing the same thing. And then it was 2 videos in a day, in this day, and I'm actually gonna do 3 videos today. That is an amazing accomplishment. But what I did was a spoof, which was a spoof package. Then I'm doing Life of a Squishy Scammer. Then I'm gonna do, spoiler alert, my updated squishy collection. So let's get started. Hi guys, so today I got this squishy order. See? And I'm gonna show you what I put in her package. So I have a packet right here, and I'm just gonna quickly do this. So she wanted the one eye bloom cake. Let's see if I have an eye bloom cake. I have this cake, and it's in this bag. Oh, let me show you guys what it looks like. And I'm just looking here to find something, because I can't seem to find one thing that I think I lost. But I'll look for that later in the video. Well, later when I'm finished with the video. So I have this homemade cake, and I'll just give this to her. And I won't give her the packaging, so she'll be fine. Next, she wanted an eye bloom piece. I have a... That's not it. I have a fake... That's not it either. I have a fake eye bloom peach. I'll give this to her. She won't mind. Next, she wanted a panda bun. What was that? I don't know. I'll look at that later. A panda bun. I don't have a panda bun. I'll give her this heart bun that I made out of a panda bun, so she won't care. She wanted a football quest ball. I have this football stress ball. It's the same thing. She won't care. She won't notice the difference. She wanted the Ponimaru dumpling. I'll give her this homemade dumpling. Doesn't even look like a dumpling, but that was my goal, so I guess it's a dumpling anyways. She wanted the mermaid. I'll give her... I'll give her this mermaid. That's double packaging, which is good. So she'll be happy for this. She wanted a Ponimaru cheese. She wanted a lot of Ponimaru things. But I have this replica. I'll give this to her. She won't mind. She won't care. She wanted a pom-pom prim toast. I have that. But I don't want to give it to her because it's too good. So I give her this toast. This one, I give this to her. Okay. And I put one extra included. So I'll give her an extra. I'll give her these little charms, as you can see. There is a cake, 3 macaroons, a mushroom, and a popsicle. She won't care. Those are fine. It's fine. So let's put these in her package. Let's put these in. And let's close it. Okay, I have some tape here, and I'm going to use it to close the package. this seed in it. Okay. Oh, wait. I always forget to do this, but I forgot to put the invoice. Plop. Let's put this in. Let's go slip it off. Hi guys, so today I have a squishy package, so let's get to opening it. And I ordered this off of Instagram, and it's not really packaged good. Like, it looks like it's already been opened, and then she just put one piece of tape on it, which I think she could have, if she put one, I think she could have at least put two more. But yeah, let's cut it open. Sorry for my kitty-looking scissors. Oh, here, let's go over here, down on the ground, because it's hard doing this like that. So, yeah, let's find the note. Found it. So I ordered an iBloom cake for $70, an iBloom peach for $50, a panda bun for $10, a football crush ball for $17, a puni maru dumpling for $50, a mermaid, it just says mermaid, for $20, a puni maru cheese $10, pom pom prune toast $50. One extra included, no refund. So sorry. I thought it just says refund, not refunds. But let's get started. So I want to dig in like this some good things. Let me see if I can find the extra, something really tiny. Okay, this is really tiny. Okay. So I'm guessing this is my extra. These are so cute. So they're like these little charm things. Oh my gosh, this is terrible lighting. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll give you better lighting. There, kind of, but it's good. It's better. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. It's in this little baggie. They are so cute. So they're not squishies, because squishies don't make that sound. But there is like this little circular cake. There is a macaroon. See? Okay. It's like really dark. Like this macaroon with a little cherry on top. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like whipped cream and cherry on top. They tried to make it look like a mistletoe or something. It's almost Christmas time. Another one that looks really similar, but this one's like in a heart shape, and it's like more chocolatey looking. And it has cherries and whipped cream. She gave me a mushroom. Oh, this is so cute. A little popsicle. Popsicle. The bite taken out of it. And another macaroon that just has drizzle. They're all heart-shaped with a cherry and a drizzle, which is so cute. Here, let me show you the different ones. So there's this tiny one that has like this mistletoe-looking cherry thing. We have this one that it's bigger and it looks more chocolatey, and it's like has 2 cherries. And then there's this one that has a drizzle. So that's so cute. And a popsicle, a mushroom, and a circular cake. The circular cake is bigger than all of them. Oh my gosh, I spent like already 9 minutes doing on the extra. So let's get on with the actual package, guys. So all these are actually squishies. Hopefully. So I have my note here. So, the first thing I see is this. There was like one thing in there without packaging, which is a good thing, but that was weird that it didn't have packaging. This looks like my Punimaru cheese. Except I think she didn't notice that it's the replica. It has no licensing. It's really like textured. It has all the holes and stuff of the cheese. So, yeah. It's fast rising. Yeah, it's fast rising, guys. But it's okay. That was a weird sound. It's like opens a little right there. I think it popped. That's big. But I'm just gonna contact her on this. Next thing I pull out is this. This is really cute. I think this is my Panzerbein. Maybe she didn't have any more, so she just had to give me this one, which is completely fine because this is super cute. And I actually just want like the slow risingness and the texture and the softness of a squishy, not really the face. But I would appreciate if this had a face. But I guess it's okay. Next thing. Another thing that she might have gotten wrong. I ordered the Ablin Peach. And this is a replica because, do you see this? No. It has like a fake stamp or licensing right there. This was $50. I'm definitely going to contact her on this. This was also, wait, this was only $10, and this was also $10, which I'm not too excited about, but I'm still going to contact her on all of these items. Hopefully everything else is great. Okay, the only thing bread-like I ordered is the Pom Pom Cream Toast for $50. Maybe she doesn't know much about squishies, because this looks nothing like a Pom Pom Cream Toast. And the Pom Pom Cream Toast is like bigger than a Panda Bun, and this is like smaller. On camera looks the same size, but it's actually really small. And this, it's pink. I ordered it in orange flavor. Contact her about all these items. Next is my mermaid. This she actually got right. It's like open packaging. I wish to put it in double, but I'm not going to contact her about this because this is actually right and it's really surprising. So I don't really mind that. I did think it was going to be bigger because it was, I mean, $20. Okay, here's my football crush ball for $17. I think maybe she didn't squish this one. Maybe she just saw it and she's like, oh, a football crush ball, I'll just give this to her. Because I ordered the football crush ball, and this is not a crush ball, it's a stress ball. Yeah, maybe this was a mistake. So that's okay, I guess. No. Okay, now I'm thinking she actually scammed me. This is the closest thing to this is my Punimaru dumpling for $50. She could not have mistaked this. This is homemade. Who orders a homemade squishy? Didn't even look homemade. I'm definitely contacting her on this. There's only one more thing in here. The only thing I'm missing is my Ablin cake. I have a feeling I'm gonna get scammed on this as well. Yes. this is all in my package. I have this iBloom cake. It even says iBloom. I'm glad. I'm not trying to be mad. I'm not mad. I'm just kind of disappointed and sad because I spent a lot of money. I'm not mad because I know she spent the time and money making these homemade squishies. So I'm just upset because I didn't get what I wanted and I spent a lot of money. I can't get a refund, but I'm definitely going to contact her and say, did you mistake some of these, or these after my things? Because, yeah. Bye, guys. So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below for some video suggestions. And love y'all. Bye.